So I don't know. Somebody needs to tell him to calm down because his anger issues they're just blowing out of proportion. First, he was angry with the fact that the mother said she was going to have a guest for crossover to the new year, which means that Mtunzi is gonna come to the house. He was very angry. In fact, he was livid. He said he was not going to be there. He was going to go out until Ulihle was like, "Oh, Pudding, get because Ubaba Geko, when are you be the right person to be here? And at least it will make a difference." Okay, atukige, I'm gonna buy charcoal and then we can braai sharp. Now he's angry and livid that Umtunzi did not come. Like ufunan. There is something that is very strange that is going on in Untutuko's heart and it's very deep. Ubabakho umlimaze kakhulu because yonke into iyamkwatisa. He decided to go and confront Umtunzi to say, umama bekakulindile. Are you hiding some lady in your house and that's why you did not come to our house? And then sithi siyabraya lapha when you decided to come and sit here. So what was the problem? Umtunzi decided to explain to him to say there's a situation and the situation le inobungozi. He did not want to understand ukuthi kanjani manje wenza umama Muslim. Then now umamami uhlukumeze kakhulu, now you're hlukumezing her as well. Well, that was not the case. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanbonan absheni malweni minjani hipukile hingongwina so namuhla kana ngokwa hina Scandal hikumakurashla tsamsekange kahle looking at the situation that Mtunzi is going through the most. The past has come to haunt him and this time it's deadly and dangerous. Ukhona umlisa othelalela yabona la workshop lab esebenza khona. We knew that something foul was happening, so we decided to put our camera so that we are able to see with what is happening. Kahle kahle bhutiza wena sakubona ubulala umuntu. With that said, ndifuna meter 1 million. Tunzi ati no, I don't have 1 million. He said, okay, uzoyithola, like I'm giving you just a day. Pata Mtunzi comes back and say, you know what? It's Christmas times now. It's festive season. Amabhanga yavalwa. Bank manager kwantontoni ati wena udlala ngami. Last you said you don't have the money. Now you said abo bank kantontoni. Can I have that money now? Athi kena into zonyenza ngizolimaza abantu laba obathandayo if you don't give me that money. Athi Mthunzi mina akekho umuntu ndimkhathalele ke kwangoku. Athi hayi, there's no one that does not have umuntu omkhathalele. There's no one that does not have secrets. Speaking of secrets, hey, previously Mrs. Betchafella, she guys, so umama Taps is taking it upon herself to blackmail Victor. And this means calling Utiro for him to help her with her shenanigans. It does not matter how far she's willing to go. She's willing to go as far as blackmailing Gumtanake, which Tiro now mentioned, which, you know what, I'm not judging you for using family as part of blackmail. But remember, this guy, ye moto. So the wife passed on then. Now, Umamagatiro, Utalita, she's now gunning to go and find out what happened with the accident. Manje sakafuna ukumblackmaila khala bo mangahlukumezwa yay. And now I don't understand if this is the fresh start that she was talking about, because she said, you know what, okay, I understand I'm divorced, now I want a fresh start, because now it looks to me like she wants to blackmail him so that he can give her money, and which is a good sum of amount, and that it's not like something that's gonna go straight. And the question is, when she start blackmailing him, is he going to be able to report to Utepsi ukuthi umamako, this is what she's doing? Guys, ukusazoba busy. Speaking of Uvictor, Uvictor, I don't know if he's epileptic. Is it epileptic? So bayaqablana, tell me what you would do if you are uqabula umuntu and then the next thing umuntu uyafreeza. Kukhala boma, Victor wena, Juha weni, Victor Juha. Then they had to go and call the friend calls the ambulance comes. I think those are paramedics people there. They came. Is it paramedic? Angazing petty festive. The emergency people came. And then bamufaka aboma what on the nose. And I think this situation, he could have disclosed it by the time haba muchishaka dipilisi, because they asked, Mavutela asked Hore, you were seen drinking medication. What is the medication for? And I think he was just shy about it and did not want to disclose it, to a point where now usengozini, and the problem is Umavutela cannot assist when she doesn't know what is the problem. Yabonake. He should have disclosed, so that even give Mavutela an alert to say, if I do like this is what you have to do, which now is a problem. Okay. Anyway, moving on here on the joint wedding problem in paradise. So they went looking for a venue, found a venue, someone likes a venue, and then Tidi's like, hi Skado, na ke rate venue element. Hokari biang biang, and everyone unyala koteng. Skado, Tidi has problems because, first of all, Divet does not want to get married in Johannesburg. He wants to go back to Vryburg, to the farm, and get his wedding there. That's what he said. He said, we are not talking to me regarding the wedding. And it's both of us who's getting married, but you're just making decisions. You go ahead and arrange the wedding. First of all, Jiggy, we were engaged. Jiggy says Yashata. And that thing was not, it's like he it's not part of it. He's being told Guti, we are engaged manje. He's being told Guti siyashada manje. And you're not giving me an opportunity to choose what I want, because I want to go back to Vryburg. That's not where I'm going. I'm glad I met you there, but that's not the place that I'm going. We are manje, she even went as far as telling a wedding gown. Yeah, Kati wedding gown has to be brighter. What I see is Tiri wanting a low budget wedding, and then at the expense of umganwake. And then she's going to make sure that yena she shine more than umganwake. And of which angaz at ikauni yako ufuna ikipebo ma cleavage, and then yako you have to have isholo on the how guys ngeke. This thing, this joint wedding, I don't see it happening. It's a bad idea. Utsidi, she must just stop for a minute, because she's not including Divet in any of these things. She's just doing all these things all by herself. And at the end of the day, Umamaga poet na, she's not happy. So they must just cut this thing off, everyone to each their own.